In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online watching different YouTube videos. You can earn up to $1.20 for every single video you watch for absolutely free. If you watch 10 videos, you can earn up to $12. If you watch 20 videos, you can earn up to $24, and so on. So like this video, and let's start with the first step. First thing you want to do is to come over to this website right here that we're going to be using to make money online by watching videos. I will reveal the name of this website later in this video just to make sure that you watch the full tutorial before you go to the website. So let me show you how it works. Now, as you can see here, it says, earn free PayPal cash and gift cards, including Amazon gift cards, Apple gift cards, Spotify gift card, and much more, just by completing offers, surveys, and tasks. Now, there are different types of offers and tasks that you can complete and earn money. But our focus for today is to make money online by watching videos, and that's where you can make the most money. And by the way, this website is available for both your computer and mobile device. Now, what you want to do here first is creating your free account on this website. The sign-up process is very simple. You can either sign up using your Google account, Facebook account, or PayPal account, or you can simply sign up using your email right here. And by the way, PayPal is the best way to receive your money online from this platform. So if you don't have a PayPal account yet, just head over to paypal.com and you can create your PayPal account for completely free. It's available for almost all countries. And if PayPal is not available in your country, then comment down below your country name along with the payment methods available in your country so that I can create more videos for you and others watching from your country. Now, step number 2 is to sign up with your email here. Just click on Sign In with Magic Link and then paste your email right here and click on Send Me a Magic Link. Once you verify your email and log into your account, this is how your dashboard will look like. Now on this platform, for every task you complete or for every video that you watch, you will earn points that you can later exchange for real-life money. The best part is that the minimum amount you need to withdraw your earnings from this website is only $1, which you can easily make in just a few minutes. I want you to take advantage of this platform right now because there are not many people that know about it yet and there is not much competition. Now, let me show you how you can actually make money on here. So we have offers and tasks, which is this page right here. Then we have Explore, and here you can make money by watching ads. Then you can also make money with surveys. And finally, here you can make money watching videos. So let's start with this option first. As you can see here, you can find many different videos that you can watch and earn money. Not only that, you can also select the category of YouTube videos that you want to watch, such as music videos, food videos, DIY videos, gaming videos, business videos, celebrity videos, and much, much more. So just select a one you generally like to watch, and you can earn money watching your favorite videos. For example, if you like listening to music, you can press this button over here, and it will take you to this platform where you can watch music videos and make money watching them. But first of all, you need to register yourself on this website. So just click where it says sign up and register yourself for completely free. As soon as you sign up here, your account on this website will be automatically connected to the main platform. After that, you can start watching videos on this website, and all the points that you earn here will be automatically transferred to your account on our main platform. One thing you must have noticed here is that there are different platforms that you can use to watch videos and earn money, such as Pixel Point TV, which I just showed you to watch music videos, Loot TV, Puppy Bear TV, and so on. So the first bonus tip is you can open all these platforms in new tabs. You can simultaneously watch videos on each of these platforms, and you can multiply your earnings by 10 times. Now, step number 3 is you can also use these options to multiply your earnings on this platform. So let's first talk about offers. As you can see here, it says earn points by completing offers and tasks, and that includes downloading games, downloading apps, signing up for websites and free trials and stuff like that. They also have offers that pay very well as compared to other websites. All you have to do is just click on one of them here. Let's go for this one, for example, and it's going to show you what you have to do to earn money with it. This seems like a social media app for Android devices, and all you have to do is to open up this app and use it for a day, and you will be credited with over 800 points to your account. You will get rewarded within 24 hours, but this offer is available only for new users. which means this must be the first time you use the app. So just click here, and you can then scan this QR with your Android phone and download the app from Play Store just like this. You can use this app to make money where you will get 1,000 points. So you can download this app on your device, open and explore the app, and then you can redeem your points. And this offer is also available for new users only. So just click here, and you can install this app to your device to earn 1,000 points for that. Now, the great thing is that you also have this feature right here, where you can choose to show offers based on what device you are using. So if I click on Android, for example, it's going to show me offers for Android. And if you have iOS, just click on iOS. But as for myself, I'm using a computer right now, so I can just select web option and start completing offers to earn money. For example, we can earn 9,000 points with this offer here, which is from Surfshark Secure VPN service provider. But you don't necessarily have to complete these offers. You can always choose some simple offers if you want, such as survey offers, just like this here. Click on it, and you can see the requirements of this survey offer. So you just need to register on this platform, verify your account, and complete any 3 surveys. And boom! You will earn over 8,000 points for that. You just need to be a new user for most of these offers. And there are hundreds of offers that you can complete and earn money. Now, another bonus tip is that if you click here on Most Popular and choose the highest paying from there, then this page will show you the highest paying offers here. So if you are using laptop or computer device, you can install different apps and earn money. And if you are using a mobile device, then you can install different games and can make money for playing those games here, which is really the best way to make money online. Now, let's go to the Explore section over here. And as you can see, here you can find different known platforms where you can complete different tasks and make money online, such as AdGate Media, for example, Ludibly AdSend Media Review. And the list goes on, and here you can also make money watching ads. And to make money watching ads, there are only 2 best platforms that pay you the highest amount of money. And the first one is Monlix. So if you open up the Monlix platform from there, that's going to take you to this page where you can find many different offers that you can complete and earn money online. But to watch ads, you just need to click where it says ads, and it will show you all the ads that are available here. So you can just click on watch, and you can watch the ads from here, just like this. You can watch all the ads here and earn money watching them. Now, the second best platform is TimeWall. So just open TimeWall from there. And that's going to take you to this page where you may need to sign up if you visit the TimeWall for the first time. Once you sign up, then all you need to do is click where it says clicks. And on this page, it will show you the ads, one by one. So for example, when you finish watching this ad, the next ad will show up automatically, and you can watch unlimited ads and make money with them. The more offers you complete, the more money you will be able to make. Another way to multiply your earnings is surveys. So let's move to the surveys. As you can see here, you can find a ton of surveys for you, starting from 1-minute survey up to 29-minute surveys. You can choose any survey you like, answer some easy questions, and boom, you will be credited with points that you can later redeem for real money. And these are very simple surveys to complete and earn money. And as you can see, there are 3 different companies offering the survey facility on this platform, so you will never run out of surveys here. So the name of this platform is called Earnably.com. As you can see, Earnably has over 4 5-star ratings on Trustpilot, which shows that it is one of the legit websites to make money online. And the good thing about Earnably is that you only need $1 to take withdrawal from here. And as I showed you, earning $1 on Earnably is very easy. So as soon as you earn $1 in your account, you can just click where it says redeem. And from here, you can withdraw your earnings to your PayPal account or in different payment methods available in your country. And if you want me to show my withdrawal proof from this website, then help me get over 2,000 likes on this video. Thanks for watching.